Hi everyone, this is Steve from Leading Dental. Today I want to do something a little bit different, an unboxing so to speak, or uncrating. So what we've done is we've pulled this brand new Eurus cart out of the box. Now this is a relatively new product from Belmont. It's an exciting product. This is the first one we've got into install in the showroom. We're going to get some custom cabinetry made and we're going to install this cart delivery or cabinet mount delivery. So very, very exciting. Now the exciting thing about it is we've got all of the functionality, all of the versatility, all of the advantages that come with the new Eurus range, but it's giving us an extra option. Not only does it give us things like knee brake chair, standard chair, over the patient chair, side delivery chair, we've got left-right convertible chair, all in the Eurus range, which is absolutely fantastic. But we now have the sister or brother of that matches up with the full Eurus range. So we can have an entire surgery with so many dramatically different feels and looks with delivery systems, but have them all have a standard universal sort of feel. Now, this cart system is such a valuable piece of that. Now, I've done a little bit of an unboxing here, give you a little bit of behind the scenes. So, you know, we've basically taken the lid off, broken down all the components, give you a bit of an idea how they come. You know, we've got our color touch screen there. Under the hood there, that's where we integrate all the electronics, and well, the electronics are in there, but we put in all our motors and scalers and all our different boards. Everything in there under the hood is what's giving us our full control of the systems, all the things like variable speed control on electric motors, scalers, even our high-speed airlines are variable speed controlled, which is quite a fantastic sort of option. You know, we've got this nice little services box here. So basically everything that we would have in a chair, but it's in a cabinetry mount system. And they give you this really stylish setup that'll fit into a cabinet. In future videos, you're going to see that. You're going to see it at our upcoming ADX show as well. We'll have that fitted into a cabinet on display. We get all these nice little features and kits in here. You know, when it's finished and finalised on the wall, it's all hidden, nice little covers. That's our little wall bracket, which goes into the cabinetry. So they give us a really nice kit to integrate that in. Now we can couple that up with a knee brake chair like this. You know, one of our favourite systems is the knee brake. You know, we can pivot for consult, we can pivot back down for x-ray. Wherever we want to go, we can do the pivot. All the advantages of the knee brake that I've gone through before and we'll go through in more detail in other videos. But essentially, you know, we recline that into our knee brake position. This will be obviously in a cabinet. You know, I've got it set up still on the pallet there now. And we pull that out and now we've got a full-blown delivery there. You know, all we need to do is team that up with a suction system of some sort. We work out what the best option is for that. Possibly a ceiling mounted light like this. And we've got a very non-clinical environment. You know, when we put that back into our standard chair position, we can fold this back into the cabinetry. That can essentially be hidden away in the cabinet and only pulled out when needed. So if we look into a room, all that's hidden away. All we have is a knee brake chair sitting in the middle of the room, possibly teamed up with a ceiling mounted light and some sort of a cabinet mount delivery for the suction. And we're good to go. So look, just a quick overview there. We're going to do much more detailed looks into that. Again, we've got that Eurus color touchscreen display with features that are just insane. So looking forward to telling you more.